we have chapter 5, number 5 here. You're going to solve each one of these inequalities, but it looks like we should combine some like terms first. So we have a 6x here and a 6x here. This does combine to get you 12x. Bring everything else down from the inequality. Now it looks like a regular two-step problem, so let's isolate the variable. So we're going to subtract 2 to both sides. In this process, this does cancel. Plus 2 minus 2 does cancel, leaving you with just a 12x on the left-hand side, which is going to be less than 14 minus 2, which is 12. Okay. Then to get x alone, we divide by 12 to both sides. 12 divided by 12 does cancel, just leaving you with just an x. Less than 12 divided by 12 is just 1. So x is less than 1. Okay. B, we have this -1 and this -6 here. This does combine, making because they're like terms, giving you a -7. Bring down the -6x here. This is greater than -11 minus 7x. Now we want to solve for the variable, so we should move the smallest variable. So we're going to add 7x to both sides because it's the smaller one. This does cancel, leaving you with 6x plus 7x, just leaving you with a 1x. Minus 7 is greater than -11. No one really writes this one though. Then we're going to add 7 to both sides, leaving you with just an x is greater than 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, -4. So we'll say that x is greater than -4 for B. For C, we have a parentheses, so let's make sure we distribute. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3t is 15t. Bring down the plus 7, less than or equal to 127. 30 and 7 does combine like terms. This gets you 37. Bring everything else down, so we have 15t plus 37 is less than or equal to 127. We're now going to minus 37 to both sides to get the variable alone. This cancels, just leaving you with a 15t on the left hand side, which is less than or equal to 127 minus 37. That gets you a 90. Now we want to divide by 15 to both sides. This cancels, just leaving you with just a t, which is less than or equal to 90 divided by 15, gets you 6. So t is less than or equal to 6. Now let's do letter D here. -8 plus 2 does combine for like terms to get you -6x. Bring down -16, less than, oh, these two are like terms as well, -5x and 7x. This does get you a positive 2x here, right? You want to get rid of the smaller variable. That -6x is smaller than 2x, so we're going to add 6x to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with just a 0, so we just have a -16 on the left hand side, which is less than 2x plus 6x gets you 8x here. Now you want to divide 8 to both sides, and in this process, this does cancel, leaving you with just a 1. You have x is less than -2, or you can say x is greater than -2. Okay, both answers here are valid. Right, so there you go. That is how you solve for each one of the inequalities. You got to make sure you simplify, combine like terms, then solve.